So I've used construction paper to kind of make a template for the lower portion of the back wall over the engine hump. And there's the bottom part. Attempt 1. Got the holes drilled. Made a little fold-up backing plate with some M6 riv nuts on there. So now we have all of the plywood for the entire back fowed up and just held in place with some self-tapping screws that are going to mark the placement of the riv nuts that we're going to put in. So time to pull this out and put in some riv nuts. Carpet installation. We have our riv nuts installed, going in with stainless steel hardware. And unfortunately, I forgot to take into account the thickness of the carpet when I drilled the holes and put the riv nuts in, so now I gotta file them.